Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyan of Python. Here I am going to teach you how to make this beautiful dashboard in Tableau. This is the latest dataset I got from the Google. If you want this dataset, please comment me so that I will share these details with you guys. Let's get start with this beautiful dashboard. This is the dead cases across each state. This is the confirmed cases across each state. This is the details with district level details. Okay, Ahmedabad, like this is Mumbai, Indore, Jaipur, Thane. Okay, this is the same details as per district. Okay, Mumbai. So if you click any of this district like Maharashtra, we will get that details. Like see the date cases Maharashtra 301 confirmed cases. This is the latest data set. Okay, it's Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur. So these are the details with district in Maharashtra. This is also same. So like Mumbai, like see in the Nagpur 124 number of positive cases. Okay, so we'll see the how this dashboard we can make in Tableau. So let's get start. We'll open the new Tableau desktop. So my Excel, this data set is in Excel file, so I will click over here. So this is my data set. I will open. We got these details. Okay, we'll click on the sheet 1. In the previous video I have given the quick information about this Tableau software. So if you want more videos in Tableau, if you want to learn more in Tableau, please comment me so that I will make more videos with beautiful dashboards. So let's get started. We'll put this state over here. See in the right corner we having the 32 unknowns. So we'll click over here. We'll edit this location. See in the country region it is mentioned, it is written here that is United States. Just we have to click over here. We have to change it into India. We'll click OK. Still having two unknowns, so we'll resolve this one. Edit location in Jammu and Kashmir, in the Andaman Nicobar. We'll put the same here also. Ladakh, we'll put this in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so we'll click OK. See this unknowns is removed now. So this is the India map we got here. We'll put the date in color. We got this beautiful graph of India. We'll change this color into red. We click OK. We got this beautiful map. Okay, see state Maharashtra dead cases is 301. If you want to know the number of confirmed cases, so we'll put this number of positive cases in details. So we will get this one number of positive cases in details. Okay, so if we can check in Madhya Pradesh also 1539 is the number of positive cases and dead cases 92. Okay, so we'll give this name. We'll rename this sheet as Corona details across India. Okay, we'll make a new sheet. This time we'll make with the district. We'll put in row. This time we'll put the number of positive cases. Show me in the right corner. Show me is here. We'll click over here. These are the charts we can make. Okay, so we'll make this bubble chart. See in the bubble chart we need one dimension, that is his left corner, and one dimension and one measure should be there, so to make this bubble chart. So we'll click over here. We got this bubble chart. We'll put this number of positive cases in color. We'll change this color into red one. We'll click OK over here. we got these details with district level. Okay, we'll rename this one across district. Okay, corona details across district. So we'll make one more sheet. We'll put this time same sheet we'll make as what we have made over here. This is the bubble chart. This time we'll make a line chart. So number of positive cases we'll put here. We'll click over here. We'll make line chart. So the number of positive cases we'll put in color. We'll change this color into red. We'll click OK. We got this result. Darker the red color, having more number of positive cases. Okay. So we'll rename this sheet as district details. District details. We'll make one more sheet. This time we'll put state in rows. Okay, then that cases we'll put over here. We'll rename this sheet as dead cases. We'll make one more sheet as number of positive cases. Okay, we'll put here. We'll rename this sheet as confirmed cases. Okay, now we'll make a dashboard over here. We can put all this sheet one by one, and next one district level. We'll adjust these things. We'll delete these things. No need. Okay. Adjust these things here. We'll remove this state. Hide field label. Right click over here. Hide field label. Sheet will remove. Sheet name will remove. Okay. So we'll do one more thing. In confirm cases, we will just adjust this thing. This. So here also, see, if you click over here, any of this state will not get that result. Okay, before we have to click over here, use as a filter, then we will get that result. Okay, then we'll click over here on presentation mode. We got this result. We can do like this also for more visualization. Okay, so see this, guys. Okay, these are the dead cases, confirmed cases, corona details across district. These are also district level details. Okay, if you click over here on the Maharashtra, you'll get the dead cases, that is 301. Maharashtra confirmed cases 4711. Okay, in the Nagpur, in the Maharashtra state, in Mumbai having 3029 cases, in Nagpur having 124 cases. Okay, so in this line chart also we are getting 3029 in Mumbai confirmed cases, Nagpur having 124 cases. Okay, so this is the beautiful chart we have made over here. If you want this data set, please comment me in the comment box so that I will share this data set to you guys for practice, for more practice. Thank you guys.